Moomoo vs. Webull Canada. Which trading app should you be using? Hey guys, in this video I'm going to break down Moomoo and Webull Canada, two of the most popular free trading platforms right now. So you can pick the one that actually fits your investing style and goals. Let's start with Moomoo. It's a solid app from Futu, and it's super easy to use, especially if you're into stocks, options, or even international markets. It offers great tools for active traders like real-time market data, strong charting features, and even some AI-powered research. Plus, it has a clean interface and gives you free access to US and Canadian markets. Now let's talk about Webull Canada. Webull is also free to use and built more for North American traders. It gives you powerful screeners, news integration, and even paper trading to practice before going live. If you're used to US Webull and want something familiar in Canada, it's a good fit. But some users say its Canadian version feels a bit limited compared to the US side. So which one is better? If you're into options trading, technical analysis, and want a smooth mobile experience, Moomoo might be your move. But if you're used to Webull in the US and just need a Canadian-friendly version, Webull Canada could feel more familiar. Both are awesome, just slightly different depending on what you're trading. Let me know in the comments which one you use and how it works for you. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.